Hi, HDE. I was checking out your product listing here on Amazon, these Chino shorts, and I just got to say that this is a very cool style, as well as the fact that you have 2,950 ratings and 4.5 stars in such a competitive category. But you are really showing off the style with your photos, and customers are definitely leaving positive reviews. So, with that said, this video does contain a lot of advanced strategies. It's jam packed value, beginning to end, and ways to grow your sales, increase your revenue, and of course, expand your brand awareness. My name is Noel Banuelos, and I'm an account executive here at My Amazon Guy. Now, it is my goal to reach out to brands such as yours that prioritize on Amazon and have this huge window of opportunity for more success and, yes, more growth. So if you don't mind, I'd like to jump in and show you these potential enhancements and, of course, make a couple recommendations along the way. So you can see here that you have about 300 sponsored keywords and about 1,880 organic keywords. That's about a 1 to 6 ratio that you're currently at. What we recommend here is a 1 to 2 ratio. So we should have around 900 sponsored keywords. Just to meet that, you would experience more sales, more revenue, and of course, new customers. One of the biggest components, though, that I could also add is a huge improvement with your organic keywords. Now, this does take more SEO and it's completely free. So scrolling down, you can just check out a huge list of keywords here, search volume in this column, sponsored and organic ranking in this column. Now, I noticed a common trend in your organic ranking, a lot of high double and high triple digits. So you're missing out on showing up on page one for a majority of these keywords. As you could just see here, shorts for women, casual summer, 116,000 searches. Your ranking's at 122 and you're not using PPC. We got plus size shorts at 102,000 searches. Again, your organic rankings at 228, putting 227 items ahead of yours. And you're not using PPC to display on top of page one. So again, we're missing out on these. We even got women's shorts, not using PPC, 88,800 Amazon shoppers per month. And again, your organic rankings in the high triple digits. So as we continue to scroll down, we're going to identify literally thousands of different keywords that we can go for and focus for your product. But of course, I don't want you to get bored looking at keywords. I'm just going to go ahead and switch over to the next tab over here because as you can see, shorts for women casual summer is generating about $15,688,000 of market share per month. And as you can see, this is being grabbed by all the top competitors on this page, like Levi's using a brand campaign, and all these other competitors here, like Willet, Easy Run, and Lugonzi using sponsored PPC, and all these organic competitors right here. So I would expect to see your product up here. It should be up here because it does match this category, but unfortunately, you're not showing up on page one. And clicking over to this next tab over here, you can just see a competitor. They're not even really using any PPC. It's all organic strategy. They have about 4,144 organic keywords, which is allowing them to sell close to 11,500 shorts per month. Now, that's a massive opportunity that they're incorporating in terms of all this being only done by SEO. But I do just want to mention, by the way, that by booking a call with me down below on my calendar, I'll throw in a keyword gap analysis as well as an exclusive competitor audit, which I would be more than happy to share with you. So these are just strategies to, of course, boost up your sales. Now, quick thing I do want to show you real quick is that your organic ranking should be anywhere from position 20 to 50 to identify your strike zone keywords. Now, these are going to be strike zone keywords that are going to be close to page one. You have about 164 of them. And as you can see, if we add up all the search volume on top of each other, we're probably over 20 plus thousand Amazon shoppers that your product is not displaying for, over 200,000 across the entire year. But with our help, we can help you get these to page one. Quick tips, of course, is to make sure your title is anywhere from 150 to 200 characters. You want to make sure that you have as much keywords as possible in this format, as well as up to 250 characters per bullet point, including keywords. Now, checking out your images, as I mentioned before, the shorts themselves look nice. They look great. But of course, a couple things that I would like to highlight would be infographics. Now, infographics would be a way to talk more about the material, more about how comfortable they are, comparing it to what other Chino shorts are. In terms of competition, just to make sure that your conversion is increasing. Now, your images and your A+ content, they look great, but there are a couple cool things that you could do. So if you see all this text right here, this is not indexing on Amazon. So switching over into this tab over here, what you could do is you could type up to 500 words in your A+ content, which is highly indexable for additional SEO. And also you have alt text, which goes behind the images up to 100 characters per image, which is also highly indexable. Now, there is one more big thing that you can do, which is add the brand store module, which you unfortunately don't have. Now, this is also highly indexable, all this text right here, and you can even showcase your other products because you have a lot more cool items to showcase to other customers. So this is a great way to increase your average order value. So with all that said, here at my Amazon guy, we do full service management. We have over 300 employees, partner with over 300 brands, and manage over $350 million in annual revenue. Now we do SEO and PPC to drive massive traffic to your listings, as well as platform management and brand content optimization. So our overall goal is to grow your sales and of course provide you Amazon peace of mind so that you could focus more on your business. Now by booking a call with me down below, I'll provide you that exclusive competitor audit. I'll even go over more keywords or any insight that you require, and of course strategies. But thank you again for watching and take care.